3 weeks. 3 weeks it's been. I know. I'm sorry, guys out there, Campingruss land, but I had a ton of work to do. Finally got the yard halfway decent and got the fence up. But anyway, leg still hurts. But you gotta watch to the end of the video to find out why. Stay tuned. Peace out. And watch. Busy playing with string. The string theory. Makes you kind of wonder. But what's a really good game is I'm playing Tron in the front yard. Look at all the string going all around. Well, I don't know if you can see it. String theory on playing Tron. Shh, don't tell nobody else. He says, Russell, I have no idea how you did it, but wherever you put the string, which is the metrics going around, or Tron metrics, he says, you're within like that close. He says, did you like do this with a machine? I said, no, I just did it by eye. He said, no way. Because if you look, if I get all the way down here on the ground and look all the way back in that corner, he put his thing like over there and I'm like right on it. Oh, and I says, try doing this under the water about 80 foot as an underwater inspector, deep sea diver. I said, I did this for a living, dude. You know, river runner, construction dude. Yeah, this is what happens, dude. So, cool. So I'm telling you, my truck, my Ford truck, would have pulled these things out. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, there we go. But this little Bobcat, coolest little thing. That is my next new toy, let me tell you. I need one of those puppies. Grab it, dig it, do whatever you need. I like that thing. Sweet! I signed up for the 3rd annual Farm to Fork dinner at the Alpena Thunderbay Winery with Eric Peterson from the Fresh Palate. He is going to be cooking. And
supporting all local farmers, and Chef Eric goes all out, and there'll be wine pairings and an unending flow of good wine and good company, right?
Yes, absolutely. So there you go. I'll spin it down here. See that? There, it's coming out. So, all right, guys. Grab them while you can. I already got my ticket. See you there. Well, we're out here on a rainy, what is today? Thursday, the 3rd. Ripping stuff up. What he's working on now is that is where the tough shed is going to go. So we're taking that down in the sand, going to pour concrete in there. I'm supervising today. And then he's going to work on like leveling out where the fence is going to go on the front and the back. So when he's not here, that'll give me that to do when he gets all the sand in and everything and makes it elevated and stuff. So then I'll be working on that while he's working on the Amish guys and stuff. So, all right. See ya. Well, hey guys, happy Friday. Of course, I had to move the fence again. How many times are you going to move the fence? That is the question. Before you actually put it in. We're at 3 times now. I hope it doesn't go over a dozen because that sucker's heavy. Yep, out here digging up the yard. Check it out. That's where my fence is going to go. That's where my tough shed's going to go. We're making our way around. This part here is the driveway. It's going to be coming around the house and then out, and then I can pull all my stuff right back there. So. Just waiting for some more rock. Just hanging out with us chickens, crows, whatever. All right, guys. Hope you have a great weekend. It's Friday, the 11th. And yeah, I'm kind of bummed out. The big Overlander Expo is happening right now, Virginia Beach area. And I wasn't able to go to it this weekend, so oh well. Maybe the next one in the spring or something, when they have one, I'll go to that one and show off my rig. Got too many things happening right now with the Money Pit house. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Well, good morning and happy Saturday, everybody. As you can see, I've got the big old trailer on the back, my utility trailer. And this is going to be the first time I get to use my drive-around driveway. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo-woo-woo! Okay, here we go. I'm going to spin it around. Hope you guys can see this. All right, we're pulling up. We're pulling up in the driveway. Hopefully I don't scrape, because I got the ball on the wrong side. And we're coming around. And yeah, I don't have an entrance yet to the driveway. So, we're working it. We're working it, people. We're working it. Look at this. Ooh, fancy, fancy, smanchy, smanchy, fancy. And look, I've got plenty of room, plenty of clearance. Look, that's where I'm gonna park it. And then this is the big trailer in the back. You can see that. Look at that. I got clearance on both sides. Oh, the Cinnamon, the next door neighbor dog, Cinnamon, saying, "That's pretty cool, Russ. Ruff, ruff, ruff." So look at that. Plenty of room. I'm gonna pull forward here. Still got plenty of room. Oh man, all I gotta say, and then we're pulling up here. Look at the back, it's almost lined up. All I gotta say is I love it when a plan comes together. It's early in the morning. I compacted yesterday from 9 o'clock till like 7 o'clock at night. I feel like a jumping Mexican bean. Anyway. Yeah, up here, let's put in bark here and let's see what we got going on here. Look at that. Not bad, not bad. So, not bad. I can pull up a little bit further and either leave it up front here or leave it in the back. Very cool. It's a polycarbonate mixture of all kinds of different things. Life expectancy is like 25 years. I think it's going to look great with the addition to the driveway, wrapping all the way around and stuff like that. And yes, my new toy. No, it's not. It's Alan's. Oh boy, I'm about ready to take it for a ride. This is kind of a do-it-yourself fence, which is really nice. You do have to dig the post. You do have to put the concrete in the bottom of it so it doesn't go down. But mainly you just, like I said on previous videos that I made, I want to make sure it's level this way, level up and down the post. But, excuse me, I got the first panel in. Look at that. Looks nice. And I got 4 posts put in. Those panels are ready to be put on, and then I'll start working my... the thing of it is, though, is you got to lift it up from the bottom at least 4 inches. I called about like 2 foot. And then with one arm, you hold the fence up, you pop the post in, and it just snaps right in. You slide it right down, and you finish it off with the caps that are going to go on the top of it. And yeah, I think that's going to look real nice. It looks good on both sides. So my neighbor will be able to take down this little fence and utilize the back part of it. But yeah, cool. All right, guys, I got to get back to work. Very cool machines. Okay guys, we're back at Under the Gun, getting the planets taken care of on my new tattoo. Let's check it out. So, we're going to get the planets and some streaking of the black space, finish up with the gems. Cool. More stuff to come. See ya. This week, I also went to a play called The Deer Camp. Those guys were so funny, I could not stop laughing. Great job, guys. Remember, if you liked the video, thumbs up, subscribe, and touch the bell.